Fascinating facts about space exploration and the space race. Fact 1. The first living creature in space. Did you know that the first astronaut wasn't a human? It was a dog named Laika. In 1957, Laika became the first living creature to orbit Earth aboard the Soviet Sputnik 2. Sadly, her trip was a one-way trip, but she opened a path for human spaceflight. Fact 2. The first human in space. Yuri Gagarin, the Soviet hero, made history in 1961 by becoming the first human to orbit Earth. His spacecraft, Vostok 1, circled the planet in just 108 minutes. Can you imagine seeing Earth from up there for the first time? Fact 3. America's response to the Soviets. NASA was born in 1958 when the space race was heating up. When the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, America was not going to back down, and America set its sights on the moon. America returns to the space race. Fact 4. The moon landing hoax myth. Some people still believe the 1969 moon landing was faked, but with the participation of thousands of people and countless evidence, it remains one of humanity's greatest achievements. Neil Armstrong's first step? It was a giant leap for real humanity. Fact 5. The space pen controversy. You've heard this one, right? The US spent millions on a space pen, while the Soviets used pencils. Fun fact, both sides used pencils at first. The pen was later developed by a private company, for both NASA and the USSR. Fact 6. Hidden figures of space exploration. Ever heard of Katherine Johnson? She was a brilliant mathematician who helped calculate trajectories for Apollo 11. Without her genius, landing on the moon might have been impossible. Fact 7. Spacesuits cost a fortune. Spacesuit costs. Each NASA spacesuit costs about $12 million. Why? These are tiny spacesuits designed to keep astronauts alive in the harsh vacuum of space. Stylish and life-saving. Fact 8. The fastest object ever built. The Parker Solar Probe launched by NASA is the fastest man-made object. It is moving in space at a speed of 430,000 miles per hour while studying the sun. It is the fastest man-made object ever. Fact 9. The sound of space. Space is silent. There's no air to carry sound. But NASA recorded electromagnetic waves from planets, and they sound like eerie alien music. Spooky, right? Fact 10. The gold record in space. Voyager 1 and 2 are carrying golden record discs filled with sounds from Earth, greetings in 55 languages, music, and even whale songs. They're a time capsule for any aliens out there. If aliens find them, they'll find a message about life on Earth. Fact 11. Moon dust smells weird. Astronauts on the Apollo missions reported that moon dust smelled like burnt gunpowder. When they returned to their lunar modules, this peculiar smell clung to their suits. Strange, isn't it? Fact 12. A space race that never happened. Did you know that the Soviet Union once planned to send astronauts to the moon? But their N-1 rocket program didn't succeed, so the US won the race. But their efforts took space technology to new heights. Fact 13. The future of space exploration. Space exploration is not just our past, it is our future. Companies like Spacex and Blue Origin are planning Mars missions, settlements on the moon, and even space tourism. The race to the stars is not over yet. It will continue forever. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more great space content.